Somehow Electromechanical warmly welcomes your arrival. Hi, I'm Tori. This is a fully automatic pick-and-place machine model CHM750. It supports CPK detection, CPK greater than or equal to 1.0, XY plus minus 50 microns. The optimal speed is 17,000 CPH and the mounting speed of IPC 9850 is 12,000 CPH. The main highlights of this machine are as follows. First, automatic nozzle change. Equipped with a 19-set nozzle library, different types of nozzles can be present. According to different packaging components, automatic distribution and replacement, the degree of automation is high and the production efficiency will be effectively improved in case of a wide variety of components. Second, twin servo motor drive control system is one of the key technologies of high-speed pick-and-place machines. The twin servo motors effectively, synchronously, and coordinately drive the beam to move, ensuring that the pick-and-place machines work at high speed for a long time. And the two sides of the X-beam work partners on the Y-axis to improve accuracy and reliability. Single motor drive control, long-term high-speed operation will form an angular pendulum moment that is difficult to balance, which will cause great work to the screw, and the acceleration, deceleration, and the positioning performance of the Y-axis will be greatly affected, thereby affecting the mounting accuracy. Third, thermal compensation. Affected by temperature or heat generated by work, the expansion coefficient of equipment-related accessories changes, thereby affecting the mounting accuracy of the machine. Thermal compensation realizes accuracy monitoring and automatic correction to ensure long-term stability of the machine. Fourth, vision system. CHM750 pick-and-place machines adopts double-down looking camera, can accurately locate the mark point of the PCB. It has greater visual range advantages in similar products. Front camera combines light sources, synchronous recognition of components using multiply 16 by 16 mm with high frame rate. High definition IC camera can identify components within multiply 36 by 36 mm such as BGA, QFP, QFN. Fifth, the tabletop of the machine frame is processed and polished with 20 mm steel plate, which not only ensures the weight and flatness of the machine, but also avoids the risk of marble being broken due to strong impact due to poor strength, and combines the rear Y-axis twin servo motors drive control of the same type of machine system to ensure the smooth operation of the machine at high speed. 6. Software introduction. 1. One-key import of coordinates up to fast programming. 2. Equipped with the standard components library to support editing and registration of new components. 3. The path is automatically optimized. The nozzles are automatically allocated, and the feeders are automatically arranged. It can improve programming efficiency and mounting speed. 4. Function, integration, and easy to use. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Consult. Bye-bye. Next is the display of the mounting effect.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.